marine warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Wilmette Harbor to Calumet Harbor, nearshore waters from Calumet Harbor to Michigan City, open waters from Wilmette Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 10 p.m. At 8:32 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near O'Hare Airport to near Midway Airport to 11 nautical miles east of Julia to 29 nautical miles southeast of Aurora, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Calumet Harbor, Marina Shores at New Harbor, Burnham Harbor, 59th Street Marina, Hammond Marina, Indiana Harbor, Jackson Park Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Monroe Harbor, Burns Harbor, and Deuceable Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The following is a flash flood warning from the National